What's up everyone? So in this video I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on C programming, basically file operations. So I'm gonna write two C programs, one to run the script from a C program and the other one to write a script from the C program. And I'm gonna give you a few pointers on how to hide your script from the system. Start by writing a simple script that's going to echo a message and run an LSD command. Now we're going to write a C program to run that script. So we need the standard headers stdio for input output operations, and then we need to define the script path, and then we're going to run the shell script using a system command function, and then we're going to check the results. Oh, and we also need stdlib header file for system library functions, system exit failure, and exit success. And we're going to compile it using clang. We now have an executable called run script. As you can see, we don't have a permission to execute the script. We're going to change the permission by using chmod. Now our executable should be able to run the script. Now we're going to write a C program that writes another program. In our case, for this example, just a shell script. CNTL for file control, and string for string operations, and sys types for system types, and stat for file status, also UNI std for Unix system calls. And we need to define the file name for the script and the script content. We're going to open the file for writing and check for the file open error, and then write script data to the file, and then check file for close error. Here's our code after fixing a few typos. And now we're going to compile using clang, and then output it as a write script executable. Now we're going to execute the file, and we should be able to see the C script.sh shell script. If you have come this far, now I'm going to give you how you can write C code. I'm going to give you a few pointers on how you can hide your script from your C program. So first, what you need to do is you need to create a module that hooks the open and stat and lstat system calls. So the hooked functions will check if it's a correct file and return an error if it is, and this way the operating system will not be able to access the file, and effectively hiding it from any user or application that trying to access the file.